Let's take a look at this corn kernel, which has been infected by a disease. It's actually a fungus. This is called corn smut. The conditions that cause corn smut is going to be poor soil fertility. It could be wet, rainy weather. It could be extreme heat. Now, how do you combat corn smut? Watch your fertility is going to be the one thing that you can do. The second thing that you can do, resistant varieties. So do your homework on those resistant varieties. Make sure you get your soil tested, right? You want to get that soil fertility up to where it needs to be to grow good, healthy corn. So what I'm going to do here is actually remove this corn plant, right? This corn kernel, because it has the smut on it, because you don't want the spores to spread by wind or rain to some of your other corn kernels that are in your corn plot. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.